How to backup and transfer Kdenlive projects. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and save all your work by clicking on File and then Save or Save As to make sure your latest edits are stored. Next, manually gather all the media files used in your project. It's very important to keep these files organized in one main folder or subfolders to avoid missing files later. Now copy your entire project folder, including your .kdenlive project file and all the media assets onto an external drive, USB stick or cloud storage. This ensures you have everything needed for your project. When moving to a new computer, transfer this entire folder and open the project file from that location. Kdenlive will automatically search for the media files if the folder structure remains the same. If Kdenlive shows any missing files, use the Reeling Clips feature by right-clicking the clip in the timeline and browsing to the correct file path. By organizing and transferring your project folder like this, you can safely backup or move your Kdenlive projects even without the built-in packaging tool. Now you know how to backup and transfer Kdenlive projects manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.